Hi, good morning. This is Kailash Chavan. Today we will discuss about the new chapter that is metallurgy. So we will discuss about the next chapter that is metallurgy. What is the mean by metallurgy? What is the mean by metallurgy? Metallurgy is the process that is used for the extraction of metal from their ores. It means that it is a metallurgy is a process that is used for the extraction of metals from its ore. Metals from its ores are known as metallurgy, or we can say that it is the branch of science that deals with the study of properties of metals and their purification and production. It is a the branch of science. We can say that the branch of science that deals with the study of properties of metals and their production and purification. Their production and purification. So, in the metallurgy, what we study the extraction of metal from its ores. How to extract the metals from its ores, which methods are used, all of this we are discussing this chapter. Okay, before the starting the concept of extraction of metals, we should know the some basic terminology. That is, first one is minerals. Minerals. What is mean by minerals? Minerals is a naturally occurring solid substance. What is mean by minerals? Minerals is a anything which are occurring in a nature in solid. That is, minerals means a naturally occurring solid substance. Naturally occurring solid substance are known as mineral, which can be combined state or in free states. Both are minerals are in combined state or free state, depend on their nature of the minerals. Another one terminology is ores. Ores. What is mean by ores? Ores is a mineral from which we can extract metal easily and profitable. We can easily extract the mineral metals from the minerals. Such minerals are known as ores. What is meant by ores? A minerals from which Metal can be extracted easily. Metal can be extracted easily and profitable. Such minerals are known as ores. All, all minerals are not ores, but all ores are minerals. What is meant by all ores are minerals? Means all ores are made up from minerals. Okay, but all minerals are not ores, because some minerals are in free state and some minerals are in combined state. So those minerals which are in free state, these minerals are not ores, and the minerals which are in combined state, such minerals are known as ores. What is meant by ores? A mineral from which metal can be extracted easily and profitable. Such minerals are known as ores. And another one terminology is gangue. Gangue. Gangue is a impurity present in the ores. Gangue is a, it is a impurity or it is a matrix particle which are present in the ores are known as gangue. It is a impurity present in the ores are known as gangue. The matrix particle, the impurity which are present in the ores are known as gangue. Okay, so we will discuss in short the extraction of metals, which methods are used. Extraction of method. There are five steps of extraction of metals. First one is pulverization. Second one is concentration. Third one is concentration of ores into oxide. Fourth one is reduction of oxide to metal. And last one is refining. Last one is refining. So we will discuss in short one by one. What is the pulverization? Pulverization is the process in which ores converted into small particle or reduce its size of ores by the process of crushing or grinding method. Crushing or grinding method. With the help of crushing and grinding, the size of the ores particle can be reduced. Such processes are known as pulverization. This is the first process, first steps of extraction of metals. Okay, the second one is concentration. Second one is concentration. Second one is concentration. In concentration, there are further divided into two types. First one is physical and second one is chemical. Okay. In physical method, there are different types of methods of separation of extraction of metals. Hand picking, we can separate the impurities or gangue particle from ores with the help of hand picking method. And another one is magnetic separation. With the help of magnetic electromagnet, we can separate the gangue particle and ores. Magnetic separation method. Third one is washing. In this process, we can add some water molecule and the gangue particle or ores which are dissolved in water can be separated by the process of washing. And another one is fluating. Fluating method is specially used for the sulfur compound like zinc sulfide. It is also known as zinc blende, zinc sulfide. This is the second one. Third method is conversion of conversion of ores into oxides. There are further two methods. First one is calcination and second one is roasting. In the calcination process, the heating of ores above 1000 degrees Celsius in the absence of air, in the absence of air, O2, in the absence of air, such processes are known as calcination. And roasting presents the heating to the in the presence of O2, presence of O2. Such processes are known as roasting. Roasting roasting are used for the sulfite pyrite compound. Sulfide and pyrite compound. Next one is fourth process is the fourth step, reduction of oxides to metals. Reduction of oxide. In third step, what we get, the conversion of ores into oxides. What we get in third step, oxides. These oxide further reduce to get metals. Okay. Reduction of oxides to metal. Electrolytic, with the help of electrolytic reduction, oxides can be converted into metals. And last one is refining. Last one is refining. For in the refining, there in the refining process, what the purification of metals. What is the refining process? It is the process in which the metals can be purified, or the purification of metals. Such processes are known as refining. It is depending on the nature of the metals and nature of the impurities. There are different methods which are used to refining the metals: liquefaction, distillation, electrolytic refining, and zone refining. Okay, so which are the five steps which are used in extraction of metal? First one is pulverization. Pulverization, in this process, crushing or grinding the ores and reduce its size of the particle. And second one is concentration. Third one is concentration of ores into oxides, conversion of ores to oxide. And third one is oxide converts to metals with the help of reduction process. And last one is refining. Okay, thank you.